This is another mega project. This is a project that we're going to be tearing right down, rebuilding as a full resto mod. There's going to be a lot of interesting things done to this car.
Today we're working on this Nova, taking everything apart, getting ready for a full body dip. I'm wearing a camera so you guys get to see what I'm looking at and what I'm working on. And yeah, so we're just tearing apart the inside, motors coming out, getting ready to go. Everything exterior wise is coming off of it. It's just going to be solid, just the frame of the car. So we're getting there today. Here we are removing the interior, starting with the front seats, and then we're headed to the back seats, make sure everything's all out of the way, getting the carpet out. And under the hood, we're working on taking out any of the small little pieces that could be in the way when we remove the motor and the transmission. Here you can see the interior is now all taken out, front seats, back seats, carpet, all been removed. Next thing we're going to be starting work on is removing the steering column and the dash.
Look at that. Holy, that's a lot of wire. Okay, let me get that all off. And then she'll be free. Yeah. Usually it's just easier to just unbolt it.
So as you can see here, both fenders and front end are all taken out to give us lots of room to get this motor out. This is the original 393 from the car. The owner wanted it replaced with a 593 that we're going to be installing the next time the car is all back together. Hey everybody, as you can see behind me, or in front of me, that this is what's left of the Nova. Everything's been taken out of it, every little nut, bolt, piece, everything. Subframe's out, gas tank's out, motor, transmission, everything's gone. The actual car, the cab of the car, is out in the trailer right now, getting ready to get shipped off to get acid dipped. So this is the parts we have left right now. So follow back for part 2 where we start putting it all back together. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with a friend.